County, Kentucky, northeastern Christian County, Kentucky, northern Cobb County, Kentucky, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Crofton, or 12 miles north of Hopkinsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Crofton, Weir, and Clifty. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Christian, Muhlenberg, and Todd. The severe thunderstorm warning for South Central.
Alright, well, that's what happened, and I also knocked over that fan, which knocked over that bowl of noodles, which is empty, which knocked over my Coke. How great!